My name is Sridhar Musalkol. I'm from Bangalore. I'm an IT professional with more than 2 decades of experience in the IT industry. What prompted me was two things. One is which interested me was Mahendra ji said, see, we have physical world, mental world, emotional world, spiritual world. Physical world is just 25%. Remaining three components are 75%. So that struck a chord. I said, yes, so what all we are planning, what we are living, everything is just only 25%. But there is 75% some other world which we don't understand. Okay, I've done some spiritual courses, I can understand to a certain extent. But I never got this angle, of so many years. So since childhood, I've been doing many courses. And I do meditate regularly and I've seen the benefits. Now, coming to the course, I'm so happy come to the course. I think from Mahendra ji, what is the benefit which I see is he has gone to all the gurus, most of the gurus in the world, I think, in India and abroad maybe. So I'm getting the best of all, from all. The icing in the pudding is what I'm getting. So, and other important thing which I found is while Mahendra ji is so spiritually grounded, but उसका ज्ञान और प्रवचन कम है, less, and we are more experiencing things here. And the realization that I've got is now energy is like, yeah, it's energy. Previously it was all like too complicated or okay, something deep you would understand. But now it's so obvious that we are all energy. Everything about around us is energy, and we are doing those experiments where we are seeing energy. And I realized that I'm also energy thing, so it's easy to manipulate the energy or control the energy. And I've seen the Matrix movie before, but did not understand much of it. It was like maybe in my school time I saw it. But now when he showed the scene, a lot of connecting the dots happened. I could understand. Oh, and now I'm very keen to go back and watch the movie fully.
Right.
So I think in the 3 days time that I've been here, a lot of experiential stuff. And Mahendraji is so spiritually, so grounded person, and he's a dynamo of power, but so unassuming person. So I'm like, why didn't I discover Mahendraji before? But I think everything has a time. Like in the spirit of energy, every energy it has to meet some other energy. It has a time. It's an evolution. So highly recommend this course for all the logical people, for all the scientific people, and anybody. Highly recommend this course. Extremely indebted to Mahendra ji, extremely indebted to Sanjay ji, to Vijay ji, the coordinators, the moderators, and extremely indebted to Sandeep ji for highly recommending this course. And I'm so happy I'm here. And it's a beautiful venue as well. And as a bonus, got some water sports done as well. So thank you so much.